Hello everyone. So in this video I will discuss about what is the hello everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will discuss about two things, that is what is the relational database and what is the relational database management system, that is called RDBMS. So first understand what is the relational database. So relational database define that database relationship in the form of the table. Suppose there are the multiple table or two tables are given. So how two tables are the multiple tables relate to each other based on the common data. So let's understand by example. Suppose this is the student table, customer ID, age, name, class. Suppose this is the customer table. Let's understand this is the customer table, customer ID, age, name, class, subject, and this is the suppose this is the order table. So this is the order ID, customer ID, purchase date and tax. So for the understanding I have created two tables, that is the order table and this is the customer table. So suppose we want to based on the common ID we have we concat or we can merge the two tables. So after merging or concatenating two tables we will get another tables. So this is the called as the relational database, or uh, finding on the common columns to the tables we can create another tables or the subset of another table, that is called the relational database. So in database, so in you know that in database there could be multiple tables. So in the multiple tables, so how these multiple tables relate to each other, table T1, table T2, table T3, table T4, how T1, T2, T3, T2, T4 relate to each other. So this is the called a relational database. Let's understand what is the RDBMS. So RDBMS is a stand for Relational Database Management System. So RDBMS is RDBMS is a kind of database relation that is used to write the data and create the data, update the data and delete the data. So suppose this is the two tables is given, order tables and customer tables. So you want to update this name. Suppose you want to update Shrikant name Ram. Instead of Shrikant you want to write to Ram, and instead of John you want to write Shyam. So this is the purpose of the relational database management system. So on using the RDBMS you can create, update, delete and the relational table. So there is some multiple RDBMS database available like MySQL and PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server and SQLite, and there are a lot of more RDBMS database is available. So but we will in this lecture or in this video we will in coming lecture we will be use MySQL database. So I hope that you will you got the what is the intuition behind the relational database and what is the RDBMS. So if you have any doubt you can put your doubt in the comment section. I will try to solve your query as soon as possible. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.